Check out this total from a recent Kroger pickup order. $232 worth of groceries for just $117 for a total savings of $115. I'm about to show you exactly how this was done because I refuse to pay full price for groceries at Kroger and neither should you. Our team at the Krazy Coupon Lady has been studying Kroger's coupon system for over a decade, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to coupon at Kroger and work their system like a pro. And these tips will also work at any of Kroger's affiliate stores too, like Fred Meyer, King Soopers, Harris Teeter, and more. Kroger is known for their digital coupons, but what are they? They're basically free money sitting in the free Kroger app, and you just need to clip them. They come in the form of manufacturer coupons, store coupons, and cashback offers. Once you download the Kroger app to your iPhone or Android, you'll go to the Savings tab to find all the available coupons. And if you scroll down, you'll see all your cashback offers. And if you don't have a smartphone or don't want to download the app, you can also use their website to clip coupons. But here's what you have to do first. You need to sign up for a free Kroger account. This process literally takes 2 minutes, costs nothing, and it's how you're going to be able to clip coupons and apply them at checkout. Once you're in the app, you're going to see these coupon icons everywhere. Just tap the blue buttons to clip them and it'll load them onto your card. When you check out, the savings come off automatically as long as you enter your phone number at checkout or are signed into your account when you place the order online. And if you just wish someone would tell you exactly which Kroger coupons to clip each week, you can totally do that with the Krazy Coupon Lady app. Our team selects the best Kroger deals every Wednesday when a new weekly ad comes out, and we show you which coupons you'll need to clip, and if there are any other BOGO deals or rebate offers you don't want to miss. If you're the type of couponer who prefers paper to digital, Kroger recently started offering printed versions of their digital coupons, which is kind of a throwback. You just pick up one of these one-page flyers in the store. You might find them near the printed weekly ads or at the customer service desk. Then you'll have the cashier scan the barcode on the paper at checkout. And all of that week's digital deals get loaded to your account all at once. Kroger is one of the few stores offering this, so let me know in the comments if you tried it out yet. Let's talk about stacking your savings at Kroger. Now, this is where we separate the casual savers from those who really want to work the system. See these Cheerios? They are a KCL essential, so we track these prices weekly. Right now, the regular price is $4.29 on the shelf, but look, there's a $2.50 digital coupon available for this exact item, and another coupon for $1 off when you buy any two. While you can't stack these two digital coupons at Kroger, according to their official policy, you totally can and should clip the better of the two coupons, the $2.50 off one. And since it's a 5 times digital coupon, you can use it up to 5 times in a single transaction. That means you can come back the next day and do that again until the 5 times coupon expires. So if you were to buy 5 boxes of this cereal, the final price becomes $8.95 instead of $21.45. That's huge savings when you're stocking up. But what happens when you have a paper coupon and a digital coupon for the same item? Since Kroger won't let you use both, compare the two coupons and use the one with the higher value. If you decide not to use the digital coupon, just remove it from your account by hitting unclip. Just be aware that once you unclip a coupon, you may not be able to clip it again. That happened to me. This is the part where I need to tell you about personalized coupons. Kroger literally studies what you buy and sends you digital coupons called best customer coupons, as well as mailer coupons based on your shopping habits. After tracking these personalized offers for the past 3 years, we've noticed that the new offers typically drop about every 4 to 6 weeks in your account. Two stores always win the cheapest groceries debate, Walmart and Aldi, but our investigation reveals they might not deserve that crown. I bought the same groceries at all 3 stores, Kroger, Walmart, and Aldi. Walmart came in at $21.49, Aldi was $16.32, and Kroger $29.79. But here's the plot twist. Kroger with digital coupons and sale prices, $14.76. That's cheaper than both. That's 31% cheaper than Walmart and 10% cheaper than Aldi to be exact. And this isn't a one-time fluke. Week after week, we see Kroger deals and coupons that beat Walmart's regular prices. When you know how to work Kroger's digital coupon system, you're getting name brands for way less than prices elsewhere. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, Kroger isn't the cheapest option for everything. If you're buying basic staples and you don't care about brands, Aldi might beat them. But if you want options and variety, Kroger with digital coupons is where it's at. Plus, and this is huge, if you have a car, I earn fuel points on every dollar I spend at Kroger before coupons get applied. That's because when you shop at Kroger with your loyalty card, card, you earn what they call fuel points with every dollar you spend. Once you rack up 100 fuel points, you can get 10 cents off per gallon at any participating Kroger fuel pump. So by shopping at Kroger, I'm saving at the grocery store now and at the gas pump later without much extra effort. When it comes to finding digital coupons at Kroger, some categories are absolutely loaded with them, while others don't have as many. Here's where to focus your digital coupon efforts for maximum savings. Cereals and snacks. This is Kroger's bread and butter. They always have digital coupons for the big brands, Kellogg's, General Mills, Frito-Lay. These companies are constantly putting out coupons, and Kroger stacks them with their own sales. I recommend using the Kroger app's store mode feature. You can scan items while shopping to find available coupons you didn't even know existed. Personal care items like shampoo, body wash, and toothpaste is another goldmine. While you won't get the moneymaker deals like you would at CVS or Walgreens, you'll still never pay full price for toothpaste at Kroger if you work the system right. Colgate and Crest are always running promotions, and we include all of these deals in the Krazy Coupon Lady app. Even Kroger's store brands have frequent digital coupons. Simple Truth, their organic line, and Private Selection, their premium line, often go on sale, and you can use coupons on top of those sale prices. We've gotten Simple Truth organic broth for 50% off, Private Selection buns for 75% off, and even Kroger brand frozen veggies for free using this strategy. Speaking of frozen foods, those are great buys at Kroger too. DiGiorno, Stouffer's, Ben & Jerry's, they all have regular digital coupons. This is where it's smart to stock up during sales. But here's what I avoid at Kroger. Produce and meat rarely have digital coupons, so I'll always price check those against other stores. For these categories, Aldi might actually beat Kroger, though the quality can vary at Aldi. The best thing about Kroger couponing? Getting stuff for free, and it's totally doable. One secret to getting freebies is Kroger Cashback Rewards. These are separate from digital coupons, so you'll need to choose between these or coupons because you can't use both on the same item. With cashback offers, you clip the offer, buy the items, and the cashback gets credited to your Kroger account. I've seen offers like $1 back on 2 Chobani yogurts, 50 cents back on sparkling water, even $10 back when you buy certain combos of products like beer and snacks. One of our KCL readers, Sarah from Virginia, used Kroger cashback rebates and a buy two, get two free deal to score 4 12-packs of Coca-Cola for just $12. While it wasn't free, it did save her $32. But the best way to get Kroger freebies is to take advantage of personalized coupons. Kroger drops these best customer offers in your account about every 4 to 6 weeks. Our editors have gotten free DiGiorno pizza worth $6.99, free Doritos worth $5.49, free Colgate toothpaste worth $4.49 in just the past few months. Feel free to brag in the comments below if you've gotten a really good Kroger freebie. I'd love to hear about it. The downside of the best customer coupons is that not everyone gets them, and there's no real pattern to them since they're likely based on an algorithm. But if you're shopping at Kroger regularly and using your linked rewards account, you're way more likely to score them. According to our Kroger experts, the key is consistent shopping, not necessarily spending more. To see a roundup of the grocery freebies we're finding this week, including at Kroger, check out the link in the description below. Ready to go from casual couponer to Kroger power user? These advanced strategies can multiply your savings. Some people even make money shopping this way. First, watch for Kroger's super digital savings events. These happen every 4 to 6 weeks. During these events, certain digital coupons work up to 5 times in a single transaction instead of just once. And as long as you've clipped the coupon, you can use that coupon for as many transactions as you want until the coupon expires. Second, clearance shopping with digital coupons. Technically, Kroger's fine print says clearance items may not be eligible for digital coupons, but many stores don't enforce this strictly. You can sometimes get items for free or even make money if they do accept digital coupons with clearance items at your store. If you're using paper coupons too, here's what you need to keep in mind. You can use up to 5 identical paper coupons per day, but only 2 if you printed them from online. And remember, you can't stack a paper and digital manufacturer coupon for the same item at Kroger. Pick whichever coupon saves you more. Last thing, and this is huge, stack your Kroger savings with rebate apps like Ibotta and Fetch. You can shop with your digital coupons, then scan your Kroger receipt for additional cash back. Just make sure you check the rebate fine print to verify that you can combine the offers. Also, for this strategy, you'll have to shop in-store since Kroger Pickup has stopped giving out paper receipts. If you're ordering Kroger Pickup or delivery online, your digital coupons still work. but they apply differently. When you check out online, you won't see the coupon discounts yet. They come off when you actually pick up your order or when it gets delivered. So don't panic if your total looks high online. Kroger also has exclusive coupons just for pickup and delivery, so look for those. I've gotten $10 off my next pickup order of 50 or more this way. Just make sure you check the coupon section specifically for these offers, especially if you're a newbie to the service. And remember, Kroger's $35 minimum for free pickup gets calculated before your coupons apply. So if your cart's at $40 and you've got $10 in coupons, you do still qualify for free pickup even though you're only paying $30. If you've got paper coupons and you're doing pickup, just tell the associate when they bring your order out. They'll apply them to your total and send you an updated receipt. And one note about Kroger Delivery. If you find yourself using their delivery service at least 9 times in a year, I'd recommend signing up for a Kroger Boost membership. That's their paid plan that costs $69 a year, but it does give you free next day delivery, which will save you about $8 to $11 per order. Boost membership also gives you special coupons that other Kroger shoppers don't get. If you're considering a Boost membership, you can do a free 30-day trial or wait to sign up when there's a 50% off promotion going on, which we usually see pop up in July and a few other times in the year. I know this seems like a lot at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be combining sale prices and coupons like a pro at Kroger. Remember that $232 grocery haul for $117? That doesn't have to be a one-time thing. We see savings like these regularly when we put together our Kroger weekly ad deals in the Krazy Coupon Lady app. Try out at least one of these techniques on your next Kroger trip and then come back and tell me how much you saved in the comments. I read every single one and I love seeing your wins. Before you go, here's your ultimate Kroger couponing checklist. Screenshot this. If this helps you out, hit the subscribe button because we're always finding new ways to beat the system and save money. And if you want even more deals, download the Krazy Coupon Lady app for free. We've got deals from every major store, not just Kroger.